All right, I'm going to try to make this video short and sweet with some summary of the Unity planning tools and get you moving forward here. So best practices when using the tools is first of all, just complete the one or two holes that we started and pay careful attention to performance while you're doing that. As you plant trees, check out, how your performance, do it from different spots on the course, okay? Not just from the tee box, middle of the course, looking at the green, the tee box number two, looking around and check out performance. Keep in mind that later on when we add additional holes, they're going to bring down performance even further. Maybe not as much, but if you have a hole that is adjacent, that's going to get some trees on it. That's definitely going to bring down performance. And if you're hand planting, if you're not, if you're dragging prefabs into the scene and doing that duplication method, if you're not using the Unity brushes, they're going to break down performance because remember they're rendered everywhere, no matter how far away you are. So you have to be careful with hand planting. Keep in mind, we still haven't added 3D grass. That will be coming later on, so you want to make sure we have a little bit of overhead to account for that 3D grass. That's definitely going to have potentially 10 frames per second, 15, maybe even higher, depending how dense it is, right? There's no need for perfection. Keep in mind that sometimes less is more. Um, and but you'll get better, you'll get a better eye for the colors and things later on, and you can always adjust those and come back and make changes. Some people say a course is never finished. And lastly, just keep things organized. Remember to create empties, put things in those empties, make sure they're in zero space before you put things in there. But keeping things organized will help you not only as you're building your course, but if you need to go back and make changes, if things are unorganized, then you're going to have a hard time remember where you put things and troubleshooting and figuring things out. So keep things organized.